Well, funds for Lourdes mobile outreach team will run out in June. They're the people who assist police when they believe someone is in the midst of a mental health crisis.
And as our Madeleine Hagen reports, the county is working on something to supplement the program this summer. A local mother says it's still very needed in our community.
She was a straight A student, passed her SAT scores with flying colors. The drug use started and the addiction started.
As Jerry Thomas plays with her 3-year-old grandson, Skylar, she holds out hope that all is not lost on her daughter and Skylar's mother, Jalen.
I think there's a chance. I hope that there's a chance.
Jerry says Jalen struggles with substance abuse disorder and mental health. They've utilized the Lourdes mobile outreach team since the program started.
For the last 3 years they've had this, I've used the service 3 times. We've had episodes, instances in the house where the police came in. Mental health was able to be called and brought into our home, spoke with our daughter, talked to her about going into Cadillac, getting evaluated, and continuing on to get into Lourdes.
Lieutenant Jason Keel with the Kennewick Police Department says the program has proved to be helpful since its creation.
We found tremendous benefit for us. They were able to just navigate the system, put us in contact with the correct resources that needed to happen. Before that, we would have police officers, 1 or 2 police officers, sitting at a hospital for 8 to 12 hours sometimes.
Lieutenant Keel says the program was funded by grants and weren't renewed to continue another year. However, the county is working on something that would take its place.
My understanding is that there's still something in process, and it's just those conversations are being had. But we did find that there was benefit of having somebody be able to respond on scene.
Jerry is also hopeful that another outreach program will step in to help families going through a situation like hers.
I'm very thankful for that. Excited and hopeful for the Benton County recovery. This is something that our community needs.
Jerry says she still brings food and basic necessities to her daughter in hopes that one day she'll be ready to accept help.
I pray someday that one of these systems will work and not fail her, so we can have a daughter, Skylar can have a mother, and we can go on with life. That's my daughter. I love her. She has the greatest potential.
For Cap KVU Local News, I'm Madeleine Hagen.
Now, we did reach out to LifePoint to find out the reason they decided not to renew the funding or seek another grant. We haven't received a reply. So